Welcome to appleguide. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable Speak Screen to read text messages on your iPad and iPhone. Go to Settings. Select Accessibility. Click on Spoken Content. Enable Speak Screen. Now close this. Let's select the Guardian newspaper. And now from here, all you need to do is just swipe down with 2 fingers.
His crowning moment, ludicrous but magnificent, the coronation stirred every emotion. The king and queen grew.
Done. This is how you enable Speak Screen to read text messages on your iPad and iPhone.